Hello everyone. Now let us see what is HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. It stands for the full form of HTML. Is an easy to understand language used for creating and designing web pages. I hope everyone is clear with the what is web pages. Now, on daily basis, you all use internet and you browse with the Google Chrome, and this all the pages displayed in the Google Chrome and all are called as web pages. HTML is widely used for a creation and designing of web pages because of these features. It is easy to understand and use. It is not case sensitive. This means that it treats HTML and HTML as the same, whether the text might be in small letters or in capital letters. It doesn't matter. It is supported by almost every web browsing software. The web browsers are the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. There is no need to install a special software. Structure of HTML document. An HTML document is written using HTML elements consisting of tags enclosed in angle brackets, that is the closing angle and the opening angle brackets. These tags along with their attributes make the text and images appear attractive on web pages. The HTML document code can be written in any text editor, for example, Notepad. The HTML document is then saved with .html or .htm extension. When the saved file is opened with any browser, the created HTML file is shown as a web page. The web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. In any of these web browsers, the saved HTML file should be opened. Now let's see what is the basic structure of an HTML. First we have the opening HTML tag, that is it written in angle brackets HTML. Then we have the head. Inside the head section we have the title and the space to write the title, and the closing title tag. Then we have closed with the head tag. Then in the body section we can write the description or the text whatever is present, and then last we close it with the closing HTML tag. The HTML tag and their attributes. So these are all the tags which we are going to see now. The first one is body tag. In the body tag you can change the background color, text color, the margins, etc. Then the second one we have the font tag. In font tag you can change the font size, font color. The next you have the HR tag. HR tag is where it is used to display the horizontal line. The next we have the image tag, which tag is used to insert the images in your HTML documents. The marquee tag. The marquee tag is that scrolling text. For example, you have seen in the advertisements the text and the end below the screen, the text scrolling from left to right. The scrolling text is called the marquee tag. Then we have the list. In list we have ordered list and unordered list. Now let us see an example of HTML code. An HTML code is typed using the Notepad. Now let us type one of the program in the Notepad and I'll show you the. I hope everyone is familiar with how to open the notepad file. Click on the start button. As I'm using the Windows 8, so we have the different view formats in different operating systems. In Windows 7 here itself you get the search tab. You can search here, or you can click on all programs and find the notepad. Now here we have the search tab. Type here notepad, press enter. Then here we have the notepad, and we'll see with the first HTML program. First is the HTML head, then we have head, then title, can give the title anything. Now we'll give it as what? My first video, and close the title. The closing tag will be with the angle bracket slash and the title, close the angle bracket, then close the head, so slash, and is closed. The next we have the body section, where you can change the background color. Keep in mind, in computers always the color spelling will be COLOR. Color equal to ELLOW, yellow. Close it with closing double quotes. Text equal to double quotes green. Top margin equal to 50, left margin equal to 40. Close it. Then next we have the H1 tag, then the title computer networks. Next we have it HR tag, then H3, close it. Then here we have the body section and the text or the paragraph, whatever it is, we can type there. I'll just type only one line now. A network is defined as a group of interconnected people or things. Then we close H3 tag, then we close. As you can see here, we have opened the body tag, and now here we'll close the body tag. Then at last we'll close with HTML tag, ML tag. Now see, next we have to do with is click on file and save the file. Remember, starting we have showed that we have to save these notepad files, HTML codes with .html. So we'll save this as first HTML program dot html. The extension should be with the .htm or html. Then click on save. See here, you can see the destination, the desktop. The file is saved in desktop. Wherever if you want, you can change the destination. Right now it is saved on the desktop. Then click on save. Now we'll close this file, and here we can see my first HTML program. Right click on the file and click on open with, then Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, any of the browser, you can open the file. So right now we'll take with the Google Chrome. See here, you can see the background color is yellow where we in the program. Just a minute, I'll split the screen and I'll explain you. See here, this is the program what we have written, and this is the output what we have got. You can see here the my first video is the title. Here on the title bar of the web browser, I'll widen the screen. See here, my first video. This it comes where in the title of the browser of the page. The next we have the background color is yellow. See here, we have written the code for yellow and the background color is fully with the yellow. You can see here the text color is green. The computer networks here, yeah, here we have made the mistake. The title we have made it as network. T is color is green and top margin is 50, means it will leave the space here in the top margin, otherwise it will start from the end, from the starting of the page. So here margin is 50, so it has left the space here, and left margin is 40, so here the space is left. And here this what the sentence and the paragraph in the body section. I hope everyone is clear, and I request you all now to practice with all the other examples and get to know with the other tags of the HTML. Thank you.